Hello students, our today's program is write a program in Python to input base and height of a triangle and find out the area of triangle. The area of triangle can be calculated using formula base into height divided by 2. So dear student, in this program we have to enter base and height of a triangle and calculate area of triangle. Now I'm going to make this program in Python. Open Python software, click at option file and choose option new file and type the program code here in this file. Base equal to int input Now click at option file and choose option save as and save your program. Now click at option run and run module. When we run this program, the program will ask to enter base of a triangle. If we enter base of triangle is 10 and if we enter height of triangle is 5, the program will print area of triangle is 25. I hope that you understand the concept of this program. Thank you. Have a nice day.